You know what's the most annoying and frustrating thing about creating videos on YouTube? Spending all of our time and efforts into creating a video that ultimately tanks. And I have to blame this on those YouTube channels that guide new YouTubers. The thing about guiding new YouTubers to run a successful channel is we have to understand things from their perspective, not from our perspective, because running a YouTube channel when you have 1,000 subscribers is different from when you have 100 subscribers. And this is where I disagree with most YouTube channels' advice coming from big YouTube channels like Mr. Beast or Film Booth, where their most common advice on video quality is to pretty much focus all of your money, time, and effort into producing one really great video over 10 average videos. And it makes perfect sense, right? Why would you create 10 average videos that gets only 100 views per video when you can create one really great video that can potentially get to 100,000 views? To me, this is a very subjective question, and the opinion they offered has to be based on a couple of factors: your channel size, your niche, and most importantly, your lifestyle. People like Mr. Beast, who isn't tied down with kids and is still very young, they have all the time in the world to go out there and film all this stuff. They have the money to buy better gears. My problem with spending too much time in creating an overly produced video is these two things. First, disappointment. I'm not a creative person. I don't know much about lighting or lenses or camera angles. All I know is to sit here and talk in front of the camera. So to have me produce a video that is entertaining is probably going to take me a month to do so. So let's say I did create a video that took me a month to make. Naturally, I would have high expectations from this video, but the higher the expectation becomes, the bigger the disappointment gets. The issue for me here is I find it a total waste of time and effort if the video tanks, which is also saying I do not wish to see this video fail at all. So the advice given by these big YouTubers, I'm sure they work wonders, provided that you have the time and money. And I dare say that you have to be full-time, 100% into your YouTube channel, because only then you would have no excuses. The second problem I have with creating an overly produced video is it sends out the wrong message, especially for those who are just getting started. I'm the type of person who hates spending money on things I don't need, which is why even up till now, I have yet to buy myself a proper camera. In fact, I'm still using my iPhones to record this video. So to me, being told that I need to create a blockbuster video from the get-go, it is insane and it is demotivating, it is stressful, and I will most likely quit YouTube before I even begin. To me, everything should be taken one step at a time. You first start by understanding how to record a video, and then you understand how thumbnails and titles work on YouTube, and then you learn about all the software and tools you can use to elevate your YouTube channel to the next level, and then you learn how to present properly in front of the camera, and then finally you try to improve your video quality. To learn how to record a really great video with insane editing skills and B-rolls and sound effects and exceptional sound quality, these type of things can be quite overwhelming for new YouTubers. The reason here is simple. Just think back to when you first started your YouTube channel. I'm sure we were all very excited and we were all very happy to release our very first video that we probably spent an entire week doing video editing, and when it is finally launched, it only got less than 100 views. And I'm pretty sure you would all agree with me when I say that we were expecting at least 1,000 views on the very first day, given how big YouTube is, right? So if you ask me, I would say to go into YouTube slowly and just use the way that you're comfortable with. To me, it is far more important to understand how the YouTube algorithm works, what YouTube analytics is important, and the psychology behind YouTube as well. There's no point in creating a video that is so cool with so many special effects only to have nobody watch it just because you do not know how to create a great thumbnail that gets clicks. And you know what? Sometimes the video that you put the most effort in turns out worse than the video that you hardly put any effort in. I'm not sure if it happens to you, but it happens to me all the time. Whenever I have a video that I'm really proud of, that I'm very excited and just can't wait for you guys to watch it, it always ends up tanking. And that's when I keep refreshing and refreshing my dashboards, praying the view counts would go up and hoping the numbers would continue to climb up each time I blink. And of course, what we want to see most is for the video to hit 1 out of 10 and have the video become our best performing video on launch for our channel. But honestly, how many times have we wished for that, but it never happens? And then we ended up sad, we grabbed some ice cream, and then we sat in the corner and cried all day. On the other hand, sometimes I run out of time and I had to release a video because I like to be consistent and I'm a little OCD. So I quickly come up with a topic I didn't do much research on, script it up, record it, edit, then release it. And then it becomes the most watched video in the first 24 hours. And I'm like, what the heck is this? So learn to treasure your time. Don't put too much focus on creating one single video when you have not learned the basics of YouTube yet. I just think it is a waste of time to produce a video that is so good but you don't know how to get people to watch it. Don't let disappointment be the downfall of your YouTube channel. Learn to grow your YouTube channel your own way, grow your views and your subscribers one at a time to truly become a successful YouTuber. Alright guys, thumbs up and subscribe if you enjoyed this video. Thanks for watching and I'll see you soon.